That's what she said. If my name was Gumbo.
I'm a little uncomfortable. I can't pull off the Bruce Springsteen looks too much. Extra large.
That's what she said.
Sometimes you gotta make a little more. You don't understand what the hell he talking about. And you don't know what he know. You gotta make a little more. And so mom, you go. And you get the gumbo. And you go goo. I don't know. Take I-55 down there. See what it's all about. I have no idea what Louisiana people do. The one thing you could not do is scorch the roux. Once you've done that, you've messed up. You're not getting it back from that point. It's kind of like burning garlic. You can't, it's just point of no return. A dark roux is the key. I mean, it's the one thing that makes a gumbo a gumbo. Like if you can get it down to the color of like dark tar, it makes it so much better. In this case, I'm a little lazy. Once you get your stock going, just pile it on. If I'm serving it that day, I'll throw rice in there, but if not, leave the rice to the side. You know, you can put a little scoop on top of it next day, works fine. Fresh okra versus frozen okra. If it makes it easier for me, just frozen okra is fine. Smoked chicken is not necessary in this thing. I think sometimes like the gumbo kind of overpowers any kind of like smokiness that you put in the chicken, but you can use it. I mean, everything adds something to it.